The 2026 Ravix GT emerges as a bold statement in the performance car market, blending speed, aggression, and futuristic design cues in a way that challenges even long-established rivals. With its aerodynamic silhouette and razor-sharp accents, it immediately communicates intent. This is not a car for the passive driver. It's low to the ground, with a wide stance, and every line on its body seems etched with purpose. The front fascia features a sculpted grille flanked by adaptive matrix LED headlamps that give the Ravix GT a fierce presence both day and night. Under the hood, the Ravix GT is powered by a newly developed twin-turbo V6 engine producing 540 horsepower, mated to a dual-clutch 8-speed transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. For those who crave raw performance, the Ravix GT doesn't disappoint. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds, and the exhaust note has been carefully tuned to deliver a satisfying, growling tone that rises in pitch as you push it closer to its redline. The addition of a lightweight carbon fiber chassis helps keep the curb weight down, improving not just speed but agility on corners and track days. Handling has always been at the core of the Ravix GT's appeal, and in 2026 the engineers have dialed it in even further. With a new torque vectoring AWD system and electronically adjustable dampers, the car feels planted and precise even during aggressive driving. The electric power steering has also been refined to give more feedback, making the driver feel deeply connected to the road surface. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting apexes on a track, the Ravix GT inspires confidence. Inside, the cabin exudes performance luxury. Alcantara-lined sports seats hug the driver and passenger, providing lateral support without compromising long-distance comfort. The flat-bottomed steering wheel, accented with red contrast stitching and aluminum paddles, feels substantial in hand. The driver-centric dashboard features a fully digital 12.9-inch instrument cluster and a 10.5-inch infotainment screen integrated into the center console, both of which are responsive and customizable. Connectivity and user experience are top tier, as expected in 2026. The infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrated voice controls, and even real-time performance telemetry for track sessions. A dedicated driving app allows drivers to review their braking points, G-force curves, and acceleration data. For audiophiles, the optional 16-speaker Harman audio sync system offers crystal clear sound even at high speeds. Safety has not been sacrificed in pursuit of speed. The Ravix GT comes equipped with the latest in autonomous safety features, including adaptive cruise control with lane centering, emergency evasive steering assist, blind spot intervention, and a 360-degree active vision system. These systems don't intrude on the driving experience but instead offer an extra layer of confidence, especially for daily driving scenarios. Visually, the 2026 model introduces an all-new, molten graphite paint option, which shifts hues under different lighting conditions. Large 20-inch forged wheels come standard, wrapped in high-performance rubber with a choice of red or black calipers. The rear of the car features a functional diffuser and an active rear wing that deploys based on speed and braking pressure. It's functional, but also makes the Ravix GT look like it's always in motion. One of the most impressive improvements over the previous generation is the reduction in drag and improved thermal management. Thanks to redesigned air intakes, airflow tunnels, and active aero elements, the Ravix GT maintains optimal temperature during spirited driving. The improved aerodynamics also contribute to higher top-end stability, making high-speed runs feel remarkably smooth. Fuel efficiency may not be the first thing on a GT buyer's mind, but the 2026 Ravix GT still manages an impressive combined rating of 10.2 L 100 km thanks to intelligent cylinder deactivation and hybrid-like energy regeneration systems. It's a small nod to eco-conscious engineering without diluting the car's performance DNA. Rear passengers are offered minimal space, but the front cabin provides ample legroom and shoulder space, reflecting its GT designation. Trunk space is surprisingly generous for a performance coupe, enough for 2 weekend bags or even a set of golf clubs. The Ravix GT balances its race-inspired engineering with just enough practicality to make it viable as a daily driver. Customization options are extensive this year. Buyers can choose from carbon fiber interior trim, Alcantara color accents, optional roll cage installation for track builds, and a performance exhaust upgrade package. An available track mode recalibrates the engine mapping, suspension stiffness, and shifts responsiveness, transforming the Ravix GT into a track day monster at the push of a button. The Ravix GT's branding as a luxury performance coupe is no longer just aspirational, it's deserved. Its driving dynamics rival those of established European competitors, while offering a more aggressive design language and a tech-forward cabin. This car doesn't just compete, it stands out. On the road, the Ravix GT draws attention effortlessly. Whether cruising through downtown streets or parked outside a high-end restaurant, its presence is undeniable. Yet, despite its aggressive demeanor, it never feels impractical or out of place in day-to-day use. This duality is part of its charm and core to its GT identity. Long-term ownership is also looking more promising thanks to improvements in reliability scores and service intervals. The brand has announced a 5-year, 100,000 kilometers performance warranty, along with an all-inclusive service plan for the first 3 years, giving owners peace of mind. Overall, the 2026 Ravix GT is a thrilling step forward in modern performance cars. It honors the Grand Touring legacy while embracing the technology, safety, and efficiency of the future. For driving enthusiasts who want more than just